My name is Gary Capps. I've been working with all metals probably since 2011, 12, 13 years now. I'm a wholesale electrical supply house, but I have customers that need fabricating occasionally, special things that they normally can't find in the marketplace. And I got introduced to them 12 years ago, and I've been using them ever since. It started a long time ago. I got introduced to Jimbo, and he wasn't afraid of any challenge. Took everything on with an open mind, and really gave some good solutions for me and my customers, and was always thinking out of the box. And then once they started producing, I recognized that they took a lot of pride in what they do. Not only did Jimbo design something great, but it's also manufactured really, really well. I can always count on being able to sit on Jimbo's sofa and just, catch up with him. He's always got good stories to tell. And, getting to know Lance and Billy, over the years they've always had some great stories. Really like the mountain lion story, the video too. So they went on a mountain lion hunt, and they were up in Colorado, probably about 6,000, 7,000 feet elevation. And they were way in the back country, and they got a mountain lion, and a huge mountain lion. And it was just exciting. It's an exciting video, and it really shows the passion. It doesn't matter what they're doing, but they're just passionate about whatever they do. And it's good to have a relationship with somebody like that. It goes down to family values. Once I got introduced to them, I kind of recognized that, they do things a little differently. They're always willing to help, and they're not motivated by, I don't think, the bottom line all the time. It's something that, they want to help. And between the two of us, we make it work. They've added a lot of new equipment, and their capabilities have really multiplied over the years. And, I can see them being progressive in what they're trying to do manufacturing wise, with quality, consistency, and speed to delivery. Those are the three important things that, are important to me and my customers. I want to grow up and be like them. That's really it. I want to grow up and be just like them. The Thrail Kills and Jimbo and everybody here or at All Metals it's really that atmosphere that I want to foster in my own company.